Right everyone, today's mission, should I choose to accept it, which I already have because I've already started filming, but basically what it is today I'm going to be recreating a Subway sandwich. Now, I know what you're thinking, that's easy enough, isn't it, Grace? Just buy some fillings and put it in a roll. I've actually made the exact Subway bread as well because I want it to be like exactly like a Subway sandwich. I'm basically going to make my own Subway shop because why is my camera moving? 3 Subway shops have closed down near me, and I'm guessing that people just aren't that into Subways anymore. I don't know what it is, because I personally think Subway is great. You get anything you want in your sandwich. What's bad about that? People think it's grim, and I just don't get sandwiches. Sandwiches are underrated. It's all about what you have in the sandwich and the type of bread. So the bread is proving right now. I'm gonna go to Tesco's and I'm gonna get all the fillings because I won't lie, when I have a Subway, I get all of the veg options and then I get chicken and bacon. So I'm gonna like make my own Subway shop, and I'm so excited. I really hope the bread turns out okay, because you know when you try a recipe online and you think it's gonna be the best thing ever and then it's just a fat flop, and I'll be so upset if it's a fat flop. I'm putting a lot of, and the thing with bread is, it's not just a quick thing that you can easily bang out in 30 minutes. It's a long process, but that's what makes it even more enjoyable when you like come to eat it. So let's go to Tesco's, get the goods, specifically the most crucial ingredient, black sliced olives, my favourite thing. Yes. Oh, I'm filming. Hi guys, so I'm in the kitchen now and we're about to make the bread. Now actually, I need to see how many this bakes. 4. Okay, so we're gonna make, you know what, I feel like I look like one of the Pizza Express people in this top, and I kind of love it, to be honest. I mean, it's very apt for making dough, isn't it? We have to, wait, how big is Subway? Foot long. Wait, are they actually a foot? I need to get my tape measure out for this. It's quite long, isn't it? 1 foot? Surely not. That's 1 foot. Well, okay. This looks like a breadstick. I'm gonna do on that size in case, obviously they rise in the oven, but in case it really, really rises. Let me just, right, let's try her now. Okay, again, that is 1 foot, which doesn't, that seems so big. So also, I just want to fill you in. So I just went to Tesco's and I got all the goods. They didn't have pre-cooked bacon, which 100% I know they have. And I even asked the man, I was like, do you have any pre-cooked bacon? Because their pre-cooked bacon in Tesco's looks exactly like the Subway one. And the man literally looked at me like an absolute freak. Not weird to buy pre-cooked bacon, is it? I put it in the oven right now. Actually, on that point, whenever I cook bacon in the oven, I always feel like I'm on epic meal time. You know how they always cook bacon in the oven? I never cook bacon in the oven. Also, actually, where have epic meal time gone? Are they still a thing? I used to be obsessed with epic meal time. I would literally watch it. I remember I got home from my maths GCSE, it was my last GCSE exam, and I went on their channel and I binge watched all the episodes that I'd missed, and I literally probably sat for about 4 hours and just watched all of the episodes. That's how fab my life is, which most people like go out and get drunk with their friends when they finish their GCSEs. Not I. Just watched epic meal time. Not very epic of me. So excited. Right, I'm gonna let those guys prove. They say they need an hour to prove and get all the ingredients ready for my Subway station. I'm actually so sad that they're all shutting. Literally, 3 near me are shut. If I want to get a Subway, the nearest place I have to go. Where is the nearest place? Actually, I think it might be London now. Oh no, there is one. About 28 minutes away from me, to be precise. I think that's what Google Maps would say. Anyway, we're gonna tidy up here and start prepping our veg. Okay, let's tidy up. If I got everything! 3 nights of the morning. Hello. So, we've got our bowls ready. I'm doing it on a small scale because we don't want waste. There's already enough waste in the world, so I'm gonna make how much I need. So I found a picture on the Googlies of what like a workstation looks like, and intriguingly enough, they had grated carrot, which I'm so perplexed because I don't think I've ever seen carrot, nor has it been grated in Subway. I wonder if other countries' Subways differ. Wait, is it only in America? I just really think sandwiches don't get the airtime that they deserve. I think everyone hates on them because they're overdone. I had them literally every day of my life in school for my packed lunches, and oh, my mum went through this phase. No hate to you, mum, love you loads, but she made these chorizo sandwiches. It's just literally just chorizo and bread. And you know when you've literally had it for about 369, not even just 1 year, was those extra few days, and oh my gosh, I was so bored of it. I was so bored. And then I transitioned to peanut butter, and I never did get bored of peanut butter. Still a big fan, but now whenever I see chorizo and bread together, I'm like, muh, muh, muh. Get it away from me. I think it must have been on special offer or something. I think grating is my least favourite kitchen job. I hate grating things, don't know why. Here we go, we've got our grated carrot. We've got our first Subway ingredient ready. Oh, my bad. What's next? We have pepper. Probably should clean this board. I don't have to be pernickety about it because it's just for me. No one else is going to be consuming this other than me. I slice it so thinly. I don't know how they get it so thin. I want it. They literally like it slithers, proper slithers. Oh, that was a really good slither actually. Okay, we've got some pepper. I'm not going to do the whole pepper. I don't even like pepper, but for some reason when it comes to Subway, I'm like, shove it all in, put it all in there. And they also have red onion, but there were no red onions in Tesco. I remember I went the other day and they didn't have aubergine. Like, it's not that hard to have epoxy aubergine, is it, guys? Come on now. It's so satisfying about peeling an onion. Onion is in. A very fundamental part of Subway. Lettuce, tomatoes are always sliced so well. You know, I might have one. Whoa. Why do I do that? Oh, well, really good tomatoes actually. I'm not being funny. Someone told me to use serrated knives on tomatoes. One day I'm going to be able to upgrade our family's knives. I think we've literally had the same one since I've been born. Wow, a serrated knife works wonders on a tomato. How did I never know this? That just slices right through. We have these pickles and they literally taste like the ones from McDonald's. I've got some gherkins. I'm just going to go and drain the olives. This is the most important of all ingredients, sliced black olives and sweet corn. So I'm gonna go and drain those and then I'll be back. So here we have the Subway station. I'll take you through. Grated carrots, peppers, onions, tomatoes, olives. There's a lot of olives because I like olives. Pickles, sweet corn, lettuce, bacon, which is real crispy because that's how I like it, okay? Don't judge me if you don't like it like that. Don't have to eat it like that. Cucumber, which, weird thing about the cucumber, I don't like cucumber, but for some reason at a Subway something comes over me and I'm like, put it in. I have to have it in there, it's really weird. Chicken, and then my sauce of choice, mayonnaise, the humble mayonnaise. I don't care for any other dressing. I mean, this isn't really a dressing, but sauce or whatever. So here we have the station and the bread is still, it's just over here. It's definitely getting bigger, that's for sure. So I'm waiting for the bread and we're gonna cook the bread and eat all of this. How are we doing? Okay. Hi, welcome to Subway. How can I help? What can I get you? So here we have the sub that I've decided on and we're gonna cut into it. Now I've actually watched a video on how to cut a Subway, so I'm just gonna do exactly what they do. I wonder why they use such a small knife and they don't use like a big one and go this way. Now that is interesting. Oh my gosh, it looks so similar to a Subway. Okay, now obviously they normally do it onto paper and they like cut the paper in half, but I don't want to waste any paper and I don't have that special paper. So what we're going to do is they start with the meat and they put the meat here. So I always go for chicken and bacon. So I'm going to put the chicken, and my life goals have come true. Okay, we're going to go with the bacon. I don't know if there's like a specific way to do this. Do some lettuce. We're going to go for all of the vegetable options actually, because I don't like to hold back, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna go for some pepper. We're putting it in there actually. Oh, I'm really annoyed at myself. I bought a disposable glove and I didn't even put my disposable glove on. Also, they must get so annoyed at these caps. You can't even see anything. I'm like getting really annoyed. I'm so annoyed that I didn't use this flipping glove. Can you see? Can you see how big that is? Okay, now what we have to do is we have to get it all in and none of it falling out. Oh, wow. I'm actually chuffed with that. Do I cut it in half? They all cut it in half, don't they? Okay. Maybe I need to wrap it. I think I should have wrapped it. Okay. Ready? No! I forgot the mayo! Oh no! It's okay. It's fine. At the end of the world. It's fine. We're okay. We've pulled it back. Time for a taste test. Have I been able to recreate the sub? Everything's falling out. I think I should have gotten that special Subway paper that they use. Okay. Wow. Okay. Stop. Stop it. Oh my days. It legit tastes like a Subway. Oh my days. I actually don't know how people don't like Subways. Let me know down below if you do or don't like Subway. This is so good. I wish I thought about this far enough in advance, because my birthday's on the 24th of July and I could have thrown a Subway party. I mean, it's my 22nd birthday, but who cares? I would quite happily throw a Subway party. Can you imagine having all of these and like everyone making their own? It's so flipping good. I mean, the bread doesn't taste quite exactly like a Subway bread, but it's pretty close. I'm gonna link the recipe down below. Comment down below what other places you want me to recreate. I think I have successfully achieved this. So good. I'm so happy. What the heck? Honestly delicious. Incredible. I love it so much. What is your favourite restaurant and why are they closing all the Subways down? Probably hygiene, and I probably don't want to know about it because I've got my little station now and I can just forevermore make my own. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed, and peace out. Oh, so I'm just tidying up and I feel like I was so involved with my sandwich that I didn't even say anything. I just feel like I was so content that I didn't say anything about the Subway experience. I didn't even address my outfit, so I'm sorry, I was just really involved and in the moment of loving my Subway. Sometimes if you see a need, fill a need. Do you know what I'm saying? Robots taught us some good things. I wanted to bring myself some joy by making myself a Subway, and I can tick that off my list. So whatever you're wanting to do, however peculiar it may seem, go do it. Yeah.